Hey everyone. I have finally recovered fully from my sickness, so I got this fire alarm for Christmas. I also got this Firelight BG10. So I'll pull it. Yeah, it's kind of loud when you pull it. So you open it and then close it again. Yeah, listen to how loud that is. It's kind of loud. I don't know why. But anyway. So there's this little thing right there with that jumper, and I'm going to show you how this sounds. So I'm going to do sound number 1, which is the sound of an ambulance, as you can see, possibly. Yeah, I'm filming this with a webcam because I couldn't get my other camera to work. Okay, anyway, so and yes, I am underpowering it with this 9-volt battery because it needs 27, So here's the sound of the ambulance first, so I can get it. Let's try that again. That was a fail. Come on. That strobe is pretty bright once I can get it to flash. Yeah, that's pretty bright. So the next sound is the sound of a police car, but I think it sounds more like a fire engine. And if you don't like this, and if you don't like the quality of the sound, just tell me in the comments. I can't get the jumper out. There. Now let's just put it on number 2. And then touch this too. Yeah, that's a pretty bright strobe. And the last one is the sound of a fire engine, but again, I think it sounds more like a police car. So here we go. Come on. Work. That's loud. And now I found something out. I thought that if you would take the jumper out, like just fully remove the jumper like that, it would just do a strobe test, but really, the strobe is still kind of going. I can't really see it. But anyway, it just goes back to this, which is strange. And this is the little jumper. But my favorite sound is probably the sound of the ambulance right here. Try that again. Yeah, thank you for watching. And if you don't like the quality of sound my webcam takes, just tell me in the comments. Alright? So thank you for watching.